Hey guys, let's practice some pronunciation today, and we will look at the vowel I and the sounds it may have. So you can see two columns of words with the same vowel inside. This is I, but if the word is short and doesn't have E at the end, it is called a closed syllable. In closed syllable words, we read I as I. I. So it's bit, fin, rip, sit, dim, lit, quit, pick, mick. And if the word has E, then we call this an open syllable. And we read I as in the alphabet, just like I. So we say bite, fine, ripe, sight, dime, light, quite, pike, mic. Okay, let's read them together. This is your practice and homework. Bit, bite. Fin, fine. Rip, ripe. Sit, sight. Dim, dime. Lit, light. Quit, quite. Pick, pike. Mick, mic. Kit, kite. Bill, bile. Mit, might. Hid, hide. Pip, pipe. Rid, ride. Tim, time. Fit, fight. Lick, like. See you!